Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic is how can we make Excel to-do list. And in this list you can see here we have already made for you so that you can get the better understanding what we will learn today. And here you can see the task which the person always face in our life, like if the person has not paid the electricity bill, so it is unmarked here, and if the person mark here, so here you can see the total number of tasks which he has to completed is increased, or completed is 75%, and the school fees remains, so he just put here tick, so he has completed his task up to 87.5%. now what remains, the person can see here the credit card payment remains, so if he just fulfill this, so he has completed the task of his month. So how can you make this type of list, we will learn today. But before that, kindly watch the whole video to support our channel, and kindly subscribe and like our video. So we will start here. First we just copy this so that we can save our time. Now we will just proceed to our new sheet. Now you just need to zoom in. Now we just write here insert, and in the insert you have to just drag here, and now we just start our lecture. Now we just write here first status, and make the status in the same bar, so you can see here the status, and I just make it bars here and make it merge in center and drag here down. Now you can see here this is the chart. Now what we have to do, we have to just put here the symbol in which we can mark our tasks. So how you can get the symbol, or how can you get the sign which you have to just mark the sign? So you have to go here in developer option in the menu, so you can see here home, and in the home you can see here the developer option. You have to go here, and in the developer you can see here insert, you have to go here and select this tab, and then you have to just put here and you will get the mark. But in that you have to first erase the elements written here, and now you can see here, now you have to place it on the right place so that it will be more presentable. Now you just need to drag it down, but before that you have to just make it here so that it's, now you just drag it down, so you can see here all the boxes are also written here. Now what we have to do, we have to link these all cells so that we can make our bar. So how can we make our bar? First we have to go here, and in this second sheet we have to do some back-end work. So how can we put the back-end work? First you have to write here serial number, and then you have to write here the tasks, and then you have to just write here the status, so that you can get the values. Like we have go here and count all the values. We have 8 tasks, so I just write here 1 2 3, and you have again go here and drag it down up to 8. So we have serials. Now we have to link our every cell to this value. So how you can link, you have to go here, and you can see here the format control. Go here in format control, and here you can see the option which is cell link. Click here and go here and select the cell, so you have linked it. Now we have again go here and select the cell link and our second task. Now we proceed and go here, and this is our third task. I just put here. Now we again go in format control and linked cell and go our fourth task, then okay, and then format control, go here and select our fifth task. Again go here and linked here again our, this is our sixth task, format control. You have to do this manually for every other cell. It will not work if you just drag it down. So this is our 8 cell completed. Now you can see if I just put here tick, so every value here will be true, and if I just erase the values from here, you can see the values are false here, so it has successfully linked. Now what we have to do, we have to just count the total true. So how can we count the total true? You have to go here, equals to count if bracket open. Now it says range, so you have to select the range, comma, and then you have to just select the true which you want to count. So you can see here the total number of count true is 2. You can see here 1 and 2. Now what we have to do, we have to select all these values. So how can you select all these values? You have to just write here count a function, because it will count the alphabets. So you have to just write here and you will get the whole total number of true or false. This is our all tasks, which are 8. Now you need to take percentage. On the basis of percentage we can make our bar. So how you can take the percentage? You have to select the first cell, then divide operator, then last, and then multiply by 100. So you will get the percentage here. This is our backend work. And if I just press any other cells, like if you just press all cells, you can see here true, and we have 100% task completed. Now what we have to do, we have to take our bar, and for getting the bar you have to go here and insert in the bar, and you have to select the bar. So you can see here I already select the bar. Now you just need to minimize here so that it will be more visible to us. Now we have to put the data in it, so you have to just select here and go here in the bar. So I just again take the bar so that it will be helpful for you. Now go here, insert and bar, and we have select the bar. Again I just select the bar for you. So you have go here, insert and the bar, and we just select the bar. Now I just delete all the tasks. Now what I have to do, you have to go here and select the data, and in the data you have to first remove all the tasks which are given here. And what we have to do, we have to insert our data. So you have to go here, first you have to select the cell and go here, and here you have to link this cell for our value. So you can see you get the bar here. Now you have to make it minimize so that we can work on it. First what we have to do, we have to erase this serial, then we have to select the bars and erase it. Now what we have to do, we have to select this value, and you can see here format access. Go here in format access, and here in access option you can see here minimum. So you fixed it to 0, and for maximum you have to fix it to 100. Now you have to just press here OK. So you can see here the values are up to 100. So you have to just drag it and put here in our cell. Now I just again minimize more, and here I just place this value. I just drag it here further so you can get the values here. Now I just use this one. Now to make it more better, what you do, you have to just first select these values and go here format access, and in this format access you can see major tick outside, so you have to write here inside. So you can see here this inside bar. Now we have to select here and go in format bar access. Now you can see no gaps. You can increase this bar as well. If I just increase here, so you can see the bar has increased. This is the total completion. Now we can test our example, like if I just erase it, so you can see it decrease. If I just further decrease here, so you can see our whole value is 0, and if I just complete my first task, so you can see it increase. If I just complete one second, third, fourth, and so on, so you can see the bar is linked here. So in this way you can put the tasks here. If you want to put the date here, so you can put the date, you have to put the task, and on the basis of their completion you have to just put your tick, so your task will be completed. This is how we have completed our task example. And if you like our example, please share and subscribe our channel for giving us support. Thank you so much.